Alright, what's up guys, we're back with the rear. We're going to replace the arm with aluminum. This one is easy. It is a 2mm, push out the axle, another 2mm right. Alright, what's up guys, we're back with the rear. We're going to replace the rear arm with aluminum. It's going to be a 2mm right here, another 2mm right there, if it'll focus, there. And we're going to push this pin out from here, from there. And that's pretty much it. All right, we're moving the 2mm. Got that one out. Got this one out. Almost. Yeah, this one's long. Out. Perfect. We'll push the arm out the way. Axle we can push out, and then we'll push this pin out right here. Here's the pin I was talking about. All you do is just push it out. It's kind of hard to do with one. There we go. See that pin? You're just gonna pull it out. All right, we'll pull it out. Be careful not to lose this. I almost did, so grab really tight. All right, when sending it back in, I like to put the axle through and then just seat it in. Then we'll put in our pin down here. Perfect. Next, we'll thread in this 2mm bolt. Perfect. Next, we're gonna set this in. This one's a lot easier. You don't have to do any modifications. Perfect. And screw away. All right, lastly, we got our bearing. Push that in, bring the axle out, and our pin. I think I lost. Uh-oh. Just kidding, didn't lose it. All right, push that in. Perfect. And then lastly, tighten it up with a 1.5. All right, throw the wheel back on and we're done. Hope this helps somebody.